Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for our last episode. If this is your first time here, I highly recommend watching the previous video where we talked about Starbucks. Now it's time to test what you've learned. Was Starbucks founded in Italy? No. Starbucks was founded in Seattle, Washington. Did Starbucks originally sell coffee drinks? No, it originally sold coffee beans. Did Howard Schultz bring inspiration from Japan? No, he was inspired by Italian coffee culture. Is Starbucks popular because of its simplicity and lack of options? No, it's popular because of its customization and variety. Can you personalize your drink at Starbucks? Yes, you can customize almost every detail of your order. Is Starbucks rarely seen in American movies or TV shows? No, Starbucks is often shown in pop culture and media. Do Starbucks drinks taste different in every city? No, the taste and experience are designed to be consistent everywhere. Are there seasonal drinks that create excitement? Yes, Starbucks introduces special drinks for each season. Is Starbucks only about coffee and nothing else? No, it's also about comfort, productivity, and community. Does Starbucks offer free Wi-Fi to its customers? Yes, free Wi-Fi is part of the Starbucks experience. Watch this video several times and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the upcoming episodes of this amazing series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.